Hello and welcome to this walkthrough of my inventory management system. I'm just gonna guide you through every feature. Yeah. So I'm just gonna start with the user experience first. So when a new user wants to join, they head over to the register page and they have to input all of this information. If they don't and they just try to register, then well, a pop-up comes to let them know that they must input. I'm just gonna log in now, and I'm gonna use the admin account. And yeah, this is the dashboard, which the users agree with once they log in. It provides a quick overview of the most important information, like the product quantity, the amount, the total number of transactions, and yeah, so if I go into the month of July is when you'll see the graph update. That's when all the transactions were made. So you can also see on the sidebar, you can navigate through the different sections of the IMS. And now, as you can see, this account is an admin account, so I get to see every single page. But if I were to use a manager account, I don't have that access. Yeah, so this ensures that users can only see and interact with the features that their role is able to. So you're able to maintain security and clarity throughout the application. Now, we can also manage products in this IMS, so users can view a list of all of the products there are, with details like their SKU, price, quantity all visible. And to add a new product, you can simply press the Add Product button and add any product that you desire. And you must again fill out every single piece of information before you're finally able to add a product. And yeah, you can also press edit to change any of the details of the products that are already added, and you can also delete products, um, and it'll give you a pop-up to let you know or to confirm if you want to delete, and it'll be removed. Now there are also categories, that is categories of products, and you can simply add a category name and then it'll add the category. So let's do test. And you can also delete or even edit first. You can edit the name. I'll just say test 3 for now. And it changes the name. And you can also delete the category. But if you try to delete a category that is linked to other products, like the electronics category, as you can see, it's linked to these products. If you try to delete it, it doesn't allow you to. This helps maintain data integrity. So let's move on to suppliers now. So again, you can add a supplier. I'm just gonna say test 2. You can say okay, and it adds it. You can edit the information as you like, and you can also just delete. Yeah. So there's also a transaction page where you can see every single transaction that has been made, and you can view the details about the transaction and update its status. There's a sell page where you can sell your stock. There's also a purchase page where you can purchase your stock from your suppliers. You can put down certain notes like please package carefully, deliver blank address, and let's say I want 50. So lets you know if the transaction is done. You can also check that a transaction has been made, and before they said 650 and now it says 700. And similarly, when you sell a product, I'll just sell 20 for an example, black for the color, and deliver to this address. It tells you that the transaction is done. It updates here, and you can see the quantity has changed. So yeah. And that is it for the basic features of this IMS. Now let's get to the chatbot of this IMS. So the user guide chatbot is a Flask-based API, and at its core it uses OpenAI's GPT-4o mini model for natural language understanding, Pinecone for fast vector search, Hugging Face for semantic embeddings, and Tably for real-time web searches. The system is designed for speed, reliability, and accuracy, and I made use of parallel processing and smart feedback strategies to ensure that. So I'll just give you a quick example. These are a few FAQs that you can press, and pressing it just immediately sends the question to the chatbot and it responds quickly, as you can see. It gives you the steps to find the solution, and it works the same for any of the quick questions. Yeah. And occasionally there might be a question you have that isn't specifically in the document that this AI assistant is getting the information from, and in that case I have built in an internet fallback system. So if I search something, or what I'll call it, iOS features in 2025, this information is not in the PDF, and it should search the internet to get a response. And it will take slightly longer to search the internet, and it'll also give you the links on where it found the information from, and it also lets you know if it's a web-based response or not. Yeah, that lets us know quite nicely what all the features are, which is quite convenient. And you can also, if you wish, switch off the internet fallback feature, though it won't make much of a difference in the response time because of the parallel processing feature that I've implemented. Generally, an internet response will take roughly 3-4 seconds, whereas a document only response takes 2 seconds. So with it on or off, your response time is between 2 to 4 seconds regardless, and you can clear the chat and it just completely clears it for you. You have a fresh slate. And if this is offline or if nothing is loaded properly, then you have a refresh status button which you can press. Since it's already loaded properly, it's not going to do much. That is my website. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope it was helpful.